Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we'll be talking how we can speed up our window by debloating. Actually, there are many apps that comes pre-installed in our Windows. Some of them are not useful and some of them are not used by our regular users. So we can remove them and speed up our Windows by some percentage by debloating through script. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to check on which version our window is in. Make sure that your window is in latest version that was released on May 2020. Let's check which mine is running in. For that, click Window plus R. That will lead to run. Here you have to write WIN WinVer, WINVER and click enter. This will take you to which version you are on. I'm running on version 2004, which is the latest version. Now let's get started. Firstly, we need to download the script. There is a guy from Github who is actually working really hard to keep it up to date about the script. Let's go to the Windows 10 setup on his website. This is Windows 10 script setup script. I'll put link in the description. Here you can see Windows 10 setup script, and some of the features are like setup privacy, turn off diagnosis, setup UI, uninstall OneDrive correctly, and many more. Now let's go to his site on his website. I'll put the link on the description. Here you can see this guy is regularly updating about the script, and the script that we are going to download today is Windows 10 2004. Here you can see different version, like two different versions, that is 19.3/99, which is the older version, and the latest one is 2004. Go little down, you can see here Windows 10 2004 script. Click on this. It will download the file. Now double click on this. Now what you have to do is extract this file on the download. Now it has been extracted to the downloads. Open it. And we have to click on start.2004. Right click on this and run as admin. Click OK. This will take you to the command script. Restore point. To create a restore point, enter the required letter. Create, don't create, or skip. I'll put skip. Default Windows mode. I'm gonna put light or dark one. I'll go with dark. So type D. This also in D. Close all running programs before proceeding. I will skip. Now here you can see the things that you want to uninstall can be uninstalled from here. Like I don't use this recorder, quick access, hello face, and this I will keep this one and uninstall. It will clean little bit things. Now this will take you to the background apps. Here you can just turn off it. If you want to turn on, then you can turn on it, but right now just turn off the background apps and close. Files will not remove. To change the location of the desktop folder, enter the required letter. For this, right now I will skip this. To change the location of the document folder, enter the required letter. Change, skip, I will skip. To change the location of the download folder, enter the required letter. Skip. To change the location of the music folder, enter the required letter. Skip. To change the location of the picture folder, enter the required letter. Skip. To change the location of the video folder, enter the required letter. Yes, skip. If you want to change the location, then you can just change it. But for me, it's okay. Start menu tiles. To unpeel all the start tiles, enter the required letter. So there are not much, so I'll not change this. So I'll just do skip. So here's come the package to uninstall. Here you can see a lot of things that are actually not used by us. So I'll just do uninstall for all users and uninstall. Graphic performance preference. If you are using like a desktop, then you can add it, or if you are using like laptops, and if you add it, then it will drain your battery super fast. So for me, I will just skip. But if you add, then the performance of the gaming will be more high, so you can get a better performance when you are playing games. But for me, I'll just skip. Control folder access. This actually helps your folder to be protected from the ransomware. So if you have any folders that need to be protected, then you can just add it. For me, I'll just skip it. Microsoft Defender, as many of us are using the crack files, then let's just skip. Skip antivirus. Finally, the command has been come to an end. So just close it and reboot your window. Then just right click and go to task manager. Here you go to performance. Here you can see my processor is running in 215. It's a little high. So I just came after rebooting my Windows, and now let's check how my computer is, how my window is working. For that, just right click and go to task manager, and here you go to performance. You can see my processor is running now in 152. Before the reboot it was running in 220/30, which was really high, and now it's running is 154 after debloating. So if you also want to speed up your windows, then make sure you also debloat your window for better performance. So this much for today's video. If this video seems helpful to you, then hit like button, do comment about the video, support this channel by clicking subscribe button. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe.